Nowadays, in many express logistic enterprises, a large amount of manual labor is still relied upon for sorting. At a single sorting station, it's estimated that they might need around 10, 20, or even more workers. Our sorting equipment adopts a modular and unitized combination style, and this helps save precious warehouse space. In combination with industrial, high-definition code reading cameras, the collection accuracy rate is as high as 99.9%. The sorting module can sort left and right, and the sorting efficiency can reach up to 4,000 items per hour. For example, when workers sort by using PDA to scan codes, it's approximately 500 items per hour. And if you consider 5 people sort 10,000 packages, it would take them more than 4 hours to finish. At the top is the acquisition module, service power supply, HD code reading camera. Accuracy of code reading as high as 99.9%. Sorting module can be sort left and right. Synchronizes data in real time. The sorting accuracy is as high as 99.9%. Parcels are accurately sorted to different grids. Improve sorting efficiency and reduce labor costs. Sorting efficiency up to 4,000 pieces per hour. High-speed and stable operation, with greater flexibility and security, can sort packages of various shapes with the model sorting equipment and its automatic sorting speed of 4,000 items per hour. When one person sorts 10,000 packages, it only takes 2.5 hours to complete, with a cost of $1,000 for each manual worker per month. It can save around $48,000 in 1 year. It not only improves the overall sorting efficiency, but also leads to cost saving. Become more efficient and save a lot of cost with us. Just DM us.